East China University of Science and Technology is the first chemical industry-oriented university in China, building a 70-year legacy. ECUST School of Chemical Engineering has cultivated over 60,000 elite graduates, including 6 academicians of the Chinese academies, 4 fellows of foreign academies, and over 200 industry leaders. In 2014, ECUST Chemical Engineering and Technology program became the first in mainland China to achieve ABET accreditation. The chemistry major is among top 1,000th of world ESI ranking. With solid academic heritage of this field, let's now dive into distinctive courses and real campus experience of intelligent chemical engineering.
Welcome to the Intelligent Chemical Engineering at ECUST, where we are blending traditions with digital transformations. I'm Yifeng Chen. In my organic chemistry classes, we firstly build that rock-solid foundation in science and technology. Then we bridge the gap with the AI and data-driven technology. Eventually, our students are more than just engineers. They are future-ready innovators that the industry truly needs.
So I first found out about ECUST when I was searching for the top chemical engineering universities in China. I found out that their JMD Intelligent Chemical Engineering curriculum was able to take traditional chemistry and bring it all together with AI. It's challenging, but in my opinion, that's what makes it so exciting. ECUST has provided me with such a supportive learning environment, where I get to experience hands-on lab work, visit multiple companies, and learn from a variety of professors.
I chose the GMD program not just for its top scientific ranking, but for its exceptional professional training. We don't just learn from textbooks, we connect directly with the industry. By learning cases from corporate mentors to visiting top-tier plants, we gain a real-world perspective on modern engineering and first-hand access to internships. We aren't just learning how, we are learning why it matters globally.
I chose the JMD program because its fast-track 3-year curriculum allows me to start my career or pursue a master's degree a year earlier than many of my peers. For those on the dual degree pathway, students have the opportunity to study at top-tier universities in the UK or Australia. Even on the single degree pathway, students still have the chance to learn from world-class flying faculties from prestigious overseas institutions. For example, last semester, I participated in an AI course taught by a professor from the University of Cambridge, which I found intellectually engaging.
Outside of studying, I've really enjoyed participating in Dragon Boat races and cultural events here at ECUST. It was amazing joining and organizing football and basketball games as well. These activities have helped me experience diverse cultures and make friends from all over the world. I think it's a great way balancing academics and having fun. I've participated in multiple visits to enterprises. I've learned a lot and gained a deeper understanding of Chinese manufacturing. It was really helpful, honestly.
I joined many activities prepared by ECUST, and my favorite was the cultural experience activity. I truly felt the inclusive and equal spirit here. Last October, I took part in our university's 6th International Cultural Festival, with over 20 countries represented. People from different nations warmly shared their food and traditions. Cultural expedition also happens outside campus, even in different regions. Some of my friends joined the Exploration City Walk in Shanghai or traveled to Chongqing, Sanya, and Guizhou. They were immersed to experience the local customs and traditions.
Hi, I'm Xiaofeng Li, the Dean of College of International Education at ECUST. Our JMD program is built on Shanghai's 3 strategic pillars: a global science innovation hub, a pivotal economic center, and internationally renowned fashion capital. Beyond the city's strengths, we work with global top-tier partners across government, higher education sector, and enterprises, such as the UAE Presidential Court, Cambridge University, the Saudi Aramco, and the leading robotic company, Ageboot. Together, we build platforms that integrate academic excellence with real-world practice. We are a university in Shanghai, and we are also a university of the world.
Hello, I'm Professor Wu Yanyang, Vice Dean of the School of Chemical Engineering at ECUST. The fusion of chemical engineering and AI opens doors to incredible opportunities. If you are ready to take the challenge, come and be part of our JMD program.
Welcome to Join JMD.
See you at ECUST.
Looking forward to seeing you on campus.
When you are ready, we are here. Welcome to ECUST.